Hi! So itong video na to, this is about Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that's easy to use and kahit na expert, intermediate, or beginner ka in graphic design, you will love Canva. Number one, because it has these templates that you can use for any graphics that you would like to make. Kahit yung mga documents like resumes, proposals, mga ebooks, marami silang templates and it is continuously creating new templates para magamit nating mga users ni Canva. So let's start. First, you have to sign up if you don't have an account yet. Meron silang paid account, meron ding free account. You can start with free if you just want to look at things, if you just want to explore yung Canva mismo. But what's really good about Canva is that yung features ng free and pro, there are marami siyang differences, but with a free account, you can already do so much. And then with a pro account, you can do so much in a more efficient way. Yun yung parang pinagkaiba nila. For me, if you just want to explore Canva, it's okay to start with free. And then eventually, if you want to get their paid account, go ahead. It's just easy to upgrade. Okay, so ang gusto ko kasing makita niyo is number one is when you create different designs, different mga, let's say, ngayon kasi ang very trending for social media are animated posts. Yung animated posts, yun yung mga nakikita niyo yung mga GIF na mga moving photos, may parang mga sticker na yung heart is, or let's say, yung like button, gumagalaw, basta yan, like these. Those are very trendy right now. Okay, so with Canva, sobrang daming sizes and templates that you can use. Pero kung wala kang makita dito sa mga sizes na to that would match what you need, for example, it's a website banner, or maybe it's let's say an email signature. If wala siya dito, you can always create it in custom dimensions. Since ako social media manager ako and digital marketer, what I usually use is Instagram posts and Instagram stories. Diyan talaga ako nagfo-focus more and sobrang daming gandang templates. So what we'll do today is what I'm going to show you is yung different templates for each of these really good na mga sizes. So let's say we're gonna browse, let's say ito, can you see this? This is sobrang ganda, di ba? Parang every time there's a new thing in Canva, I'm excited because Canva has really helped me sa social media management career ko. Ever since I became a freelancer and I discovered na meron palang Canva, ito na talaga yung main tool. I didn't have to learn Photoshop, but if you want to learn Photoshop, go ahead. But for me, I didn't have to learn Photoshop in a deeper level because meron ng Canva who can make things easier for you. It's going to be drag and drop. So, really, really good. Okay, so example ng, let's say ito, this is really simple designs. Meron ding mga gradient designs like these. They also have mga elements na hindi mo na kailangang i-drawing ito. There are a lot of elements that you can use. So, example, gawa tayo ng isang Instagram post. So, I'm gonna create a design. There are two types kasi kung paano ka mag-create ng design mo. Number one, if you want to click create design and click whatever size that you want there, or you can just browse all of these amazing templates and then click one of it that you want to use. So for example, let's try looking for siguro mga quotes. I like quotes. Like ito, surviving motherhood. Very, very good post. Because diba sa motherhood, parang you'll never really know what you're doing up until lumaki yung anak mo. So, I like that. Let's see. Ito, self-care. It's really important for self-care. So, ang daming, I like this. So, let's try this. I like this. Yeah. So, for example, yan, you just click one template that you'd like to use and then click use template. And what I would recommend for you to do is don't use the exact same template. Don't use the exact colors, exact fonts. You create a graphic by taking a template from Canva and making it yours. And how do you do that? you just customize things, you just move around things, change whatever you want to change in there. Kung gusto mo tong picture na daw palitan ng sarili mong photo, then go ahead. And there's really one really good thing dito. I want to show you something. Kasi ako, I created folders, so it's easier for me to see yung mga ina-upload ko na mga images are like grouped into these folders. Pag free account ka is meron kang, you can have at least 2 folders, I think. Okay, so for example, ang pinaka gusto ko kay Canva is like this. So, one really great feature of Canva is when you upload an image, you can click effects and you can remove the background with just one click. I mean, mind-blowing, di ba? Unlike in Photoshop that you really have to make sure that you got all the details, all the borders, bago mo ma-remove yung background. With Canva, it's just one click and ta-da! Okay, so for example, yan yung image, no? Dahil gusto kong palitan yung image na nandito is because I want to make this mine. I want to make this parang, I want to customize this. So for example, ayan. So ngayon, I'll be able to post this as if it's my own image. Pero syempre, as what I want is, gusto ko yung nilalagay ko ditong fonts and colors is yung sarili kong fonts and colors. So kunyari, meron kang sarili mong brand or meron kang pinakagusto na fonts, go use it. Huwag mong sundin si Canva in terms of following yung mga fonts and colors na to. Use your own creativity. So for example, yeah. And then I'm gonna change this color kasi ako more into the dark. Parang, I don't know, peach. I want terracotta. Ay, wala pala. So let's say peach. Ayan. So parang gusto ko yung ganito. Parang mauve. Ito, this is like mauve, I think. And then I'm gonna change the background into something, maybe black. Yan. I like dark things. Don't judge. Okay, so for example, ito na siya. Or let's say I want this to be the color and I want ito to be the white. Okay, so now I have this really great design na I took a template from Canva and I made it mine. Ta-da! So yan, it's really easy to use Canva. There are a lot of features that you can use and you can create your own designs, be a graphic designer. Ako frustration game because I'm a left-handed. So sabi nila kapag left-handed ka is dapat magaling ka mag-drawing and I'm not. So Canva made it easy for me to use all of these really great photos. Meron ditong mga photos na free. Pag pro, yan yung kapag paid. Pero madami dito sa mga photos na to are free. Let me show you. Like for example, ako, favorite thing to use ko na keyword to find really good images is the smile keyword. Kasi that would really give me a lot of different photos. And ayan, merong free, sorry, naka-filter yata ako. Wait. So let me just filter this na para puro free yung lalabas. So these are really great photos that you can use and it's free to use. You can post it on your social, post it on your website. Ayan. A lot of elements ay nandito din. We've got stickers, shapes, frames, lines, ayan, charts, gradients, sobrang dami. And if you cannot find it here, all you have to do is search. Let's say I'm gonna search heart. If gusto kong palitan yung heart na sticker dyan. So I'm gonna choose heart. And then makikita ko lahat ng pwede kong gamitin na heart here. Diba? Isn't it amazing? And anyway, so you can also choose your text. Sobrang daming fonts available in Canva. All you need to do is look at it, find what you want. Sobrang dami. If you are on a pro account, you can also upload your own fonts if you have some. Ako kasi I used to download or parang mag-subscribe ako to get free fonts into different font websites. Okay, then you have music kasi you can also add music here. So see that this is a video. You'll know if possible siya maging video if this is may ganyan. That means because of this sticker, you can post this as a GIF or as a video. If I remove this, mawawala yung 5-second mark dito. It means this is now can be downloaded as an image. Okay, if it's a video, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Ayan, sorry. Let me just Control Z and get that heart back. Ta-da! Okay, you can also add music sa mga videos or mga videos na gagawin mo. When you are done with something, let's say I want, for example, I want this. Okay, let's play this for a bit. For example lang. So I'm gonna choose this. Okay. So pag pinili ko, I mean, it's really simple. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is download this. Make sure you rename you rename this, and also automatically nagsisave ang mga designs in Canva. So kapag let's say biglang naman ang computer mo na lowbat, it's easy to get back to what you were doing because it's auto save. But if you want to save it every now and then, just click save in the menu or file menu. Okay, so for example, me, IG post. Okay, and then I can download this as a video. I can also download this, for example, ayokong i-download as video. When I download it as a picture, PNG and JPG are two formats of pictures. Pag PNG, mas high quality, meaning mas malaki din yung memory. Pag JPG is lower naman yung file size. So, pwedeng mag-iba yung pixels niya or yung appearance niya. PDF, yan yung parang document. Yan. And then video or GIF. Ayan. So, yan. You can download this from here. Tapos, it will automatically save into your computer. It will prompt, sometimes it will prompt you to save it in what folder you want to choose. Sometimes automatically downloaded siya. It just depends on the settings mo sa Chrome. Ayan. And then you can also change your background color. So, di ba kanina, I just clicked this, yung background, and it automatically gave me an option to change the background. So you can change it by clicking the background itself, or you can go into the sidebar and click background. You can upload your own photos. Kung kunyari meron kayong makitang mga, you want to upload your own photos, you want to see photos, or you know, you just want to upload anything, like video, you can actually upload videos also. Just click upload, choose whatever file you want, and it will process it. And so yeah, and then I have folders, kaya you can see another one here that says folders. If you have a pro account, you can create as much folders as you want. If you're in a free account, you can also you can actually create parang 2 accounts. Okay, and then more, ito yung mga apps ni Canva that you would, if you want to use this, you would have to connect your account. If you have accounts in these, you just have to connect it kasi pwede mo din i-share diretso itong post mo into your social media platforms. But the disadvantage there is that you cannot put captions. If you want to post it directly to Instagram, mapopost lang yung image or yung video mo to Instagram without any captions or hashtags. So I don't recommend that. But if you want to try, go ahead. So I guess that's it. That's kind of what Canva is all about. Sobrang love ko si Canva, especially with this, yung remove background, yung filters that it can apply, because kahit na nagkaroon ka na ng effects, if you want to have a filter, I usually use yung solar afterglow there, because I really like bright photos. And then you can adjust kung how much lang yung gusto mong i-apply na filter. So there. So yan. And then if you want to resize is a feature for a pro account. You can automatically resize this in a Twitter Twitter post or Facebook cover. You just have to adjust things. So for example, I want to resize this in an Instagram story. I can because I'm on a pro account. Pag naka-free account ka, this would prompt you to subscribe to a pro account. Ayun, to pay for a pro account before you can click the resize or before you can resize. Um, so yan. Yan, hintayin lang natin. Okay, so what did I click? Did I click Instagram story? So yeah. Okay, so yeah, Instagram story. So that means I can just move around things. Na from here, I can already just resize, make that bigger, make my image bigger, and then I can already post this as an Instagram story. They're very useful ang Canva if you're a social media manager kasi mas madali na sa'yong gumawa ng different sizes of your post if you have Canva because it will make your life easier. Siguro mga 5 times easier. Kasi before, I really tried my best not to subscribe sa pro account because I felt like it would be a big chunk of money. Kasi right now ang pro account, let's check the pro account. Canva Pro, how much it really is right now. And let's see, Canva Pro. Canva Pro is $12.95 per month. So if you're like me na medyo thrifty, medyo matipid, $12.95 times 50 is actually 650 pesos. So if wala ka pang client, 650 pesos is a lot. But if you have clients of your own na, 650 pesos would make your life easier. 5 times better. Because resizing is so much easier and faster than creating this from scratch again in a different size. So I guess that's it. I'm super happy to share Canva with you, and I hope that you learned something in this video. If you're a freelancer like me, start by doing your own resume. Your resume should be short, simple, one page that's a summary of who you are, your experience. And if you are wanting to become a freelancer, if you want to work at home, just like what I do, is I would suggest that don't mind na hindi related yung experience mo from what you want to do. Ako, I'm a social media manager right now, but before I did this, I was in the call center industry. I was a customer service representative, but it did not matter because what I wanted to do was social media. And eventually, you'll have work experiences that you can add into your resume. And that's okay for you to put na right now wala kang experience, but eventually you will have. And that's one step that you can do is make sure that your resume is ready for you. Once you're ready with the knowledge and skills to become a social media manager, it's easy for you to put this together. And make sure that when you do your resume, it screams you. When I say it screams you, if you're a fun person, kumbaga bubbly, then you can do something like these. If you're more into the medyo professional side, is do something like this, simple. It's gonna be up to you, but make sure that your resume is you, not just a template from Canva, but make sure that the colors, the fonts, those are really what you want because it's easy for us to create our own templates because we know what we want. And that's something that you would need to do if you are going to be a social media manager is get those fonts and colors matching all together. Hindi mo kailangan na ikaw ay isang expert in graphic design to create really good graphics. All you need to do is inspiration and creativity. And I know that that can be developed. So, yun lang. Thank you so much.